Hi friends, we will now read a poem from Bhartruhari. We know that Bhartruhari was a philosopher king. He was also a great poet. He was a great philosopher, and he wrote several things. And among several things, there is one Niti Shataka also, a set of 100 poems, which talk about various things relating to human behavior. So here in this particular shloka, he talks about the behavior of dignified person in contrast to the behavior of an undignified person. So an undignified person is compared to a dog. The dignified person is compared to an elephant. So the example, the shloka discusses the behavior of a dog in contrast with the behavior of an elephant. So let us read the shloka. I will then explain the shloka. Langula chalana madhascharanaavaghatam. Langula chalana madhascharanaavaghatam. Bhumau nipatya vadanodara darshanam cha. Shvapindadasya kurute gajapungavastu. Dhiram vilokayati chatushatayischa bhunkte. Fine. So Langula chalana. So if you have seen, all of us have seen dogs, how dogs behave when they like us, when you give some biscuits, when you give food regularly, how the dogs behave. So they come to you wagging their tail. Langula chalana. Langula is tail. Langula chalana means just wagging the tail. Langula chalana. Then adhaha charanavaghatam. And also, when it is so friendly, it keeps on tapping the ground. Charana avaghatam. Charana means foot. Avaghatam means tapping the ground, hitting the ground. When it likes, and then it just taps the ground, and then it sits in front of you. Not only sits, bhumau nipatya, having fallen on the ground, it falls on the ground and it rolls all over, and then it shows its belly. So that is what it is. Bhumau nipatya vadanodara darshanam cha. Vadana means face. It just falls on the ground and then it shows its face, and then it opens up its face, and then it shows its belly. Udara darshanam. Udara means belly. It shows its belly and then it rolls all over. And then that is the way it behaves in front of a person who is giving food to it. Shva pindadasya kurute. Shva means a dog. Pindadasya. Pinda, a morsel of food. Pinda, actually it is used, this particular word, he could have used the word annam. He has not used a dignified word called annam. He has used an undignified, a pejorative word called pinda. Pinda is something which is a morsel of food, which is thrown to beggars, which is thrown to dogs, etc. Not given in an honorable way. So some sort of dishonorable food, let us say. Shva pindadasya, for somebody who gives such food, it wags its tail, it taps the ground, and then bows, and then it says sit, doggy sits, and stand, doggy stands, and whatnot, and then it falls on the ground, rolls on the ground, and then shows its belly and all that. Then shva pindadasya. Then on the other hand, gajapunga vastu, gajapungavaha. Gajapungava is the mighty elephant, the brave, not brave, the majestic elephant, let us say. Gajapungava. Elephant is known for its majesty. Very highly majestic walk, majestic behavior. So Gajapunga Vastu Dhiram Vilokayati. It sees in a dignified way when the mahout, or the person who feeds it, when the person who feeds the grass goes to the elephant, it sees majestically, and then with a lot of coaxing. Chatushatayischa. Chatushatayischa means with a little bit of coaxing, with some amount of coaxing only. It takes its food in a very, very dignified way. It doesn't run like a dog, it doesn't run, it doesn't roll, and then it doesn't do all that thing. It behaves in such a dignified way. So the dignified behavior of the elephant is shown in contrast to the undignified behavior of a person who is a lowly person. So basically it is a question of character. This is basically a question of character. In fact, one very famous leader of India, in fact, he was a prime minister also, Rajiv Gandhi. He once told about Indian bureaucrats. He said, when you are asked to bend, you are crawling. So government sometimes or quite often they want the bureaucrats to bend a little. In the sense, the politician wants certain things to be done. A political leader wants certain things to be done. And then for that, maybe for himself also, maybe for his party men. So for that, he tries to put some pressure on the bureaucrats to bend the rules a little bit, and also to just listen to the political leader. So Rajiv Gandhi was frank enough to say, when we are asking you to bend, when we ask you to bend, you are crawling. You are bending. You are not only bending, you are crawling so much. So that is what he talked about, the civil servants of India. That is the bureaucracy. He was talking about the bureaucracy, that the people are so servile. So servility is not a matter of great character. Of course, not all people are servile. Some people are servile and some people are upright. So uprightness is what is needed. Uprightness, dignity, majesty is what is needed. Either in an ordinary individual, it is needed more so in higher positions. For example, a person in a high position, a person who is a senior bureaucrat, a person who is a senior officer somewhere. So such people, they are required to show more uprightness, so that the system can run slowly. The system can run very effectively. Otherwise, the system cannot run effectively. The system fails. So that is what is shown here in this particular shloka. So here, of course, not much of grammar is there. Langula chalanam, wagging of tail. Adhaha means down on the ground. Charana avaghatam, tapping it with foot. Bhumau means on the ground. Nipatya, having fallen. Vadana udara darshanam cha. Vadana means showing its face. Udara, showing its belly. Then shva pindadasya kurute. He does it for the person who is giving a morsel of food for him, to him. Then gajapunga vastu, on the other hand, the majestic elephant, dhiram vilokayati, it looks on with dignity. And chatusataishcha. Chatusataishcha means with a lot of coaxing, with a lot of entreating behavior. Bhunkte means eats. It doesn't eat in an undignified way. Very often we also see at food counters, when you are feeling hungry, we lose all our majesty, we lose all our, normal, particularly when you go to marriages, if there is a huge rush, people will be running in a very undignified way for food. That also, that we come across. We rush to people who serve the food. So usually on such occasions, our natural tendencies, they come out. So we'll read the poem again. Langula chalana madhascharana avaghatam.
Langula chalana madhascharana avaghatam.
Bhumau nipatya vadanodara darshanam cha.
Bhumau nipatya vadanodara darshanam cha.
Shvapindadasya kurute gajapunga vastu.
Shvapindahasya kurute gajapunga vastu.
Dhiram vilokayati chatushatayischa bhunkte.
Dhiram vilokayati chatushatayischa bhunkte.
Fine.